Hello everybody, how's it going? Glad anybody who's following along came back. Let's chill on our waterfall adventure, our gems of Uvita, Costa Rica. So what are we on today? Okay, where are we at first? Okay, this is the way, one frequency activation, which is Uvita, our house. It's that way to the hidden waterfalls, right? This way down there, that's where the bamboo forest is. Okay, you're coming into town, the ocean's that way. See the dips in the trees. This house that they've been building the entire time I've been here for 5 years. In Costa Rica there's a saying, casa nunca lleno, which means house is never full, direct translation. But more precisely what it means is you're always building your house. You never stop building it. The banks don't own the houses down here. But you do. So you started building it and you just keep on keeping on. So that's pretty cool. It's like what you're supposed to do when you get that second mortgage is actually add on to your house, add value to it. But that's not what people, it's not what people do. So then the second mortgage helps the bank out so much in the States. Here, when you put your own money into it, right, help yourself. So here we are with the wild bananas and the yucca that looks like something that it isn't. And we're going up this hill. Speaking of, here's our tour. Big tour today. Our view's starting to get something special, even though it's real cloudy again today. Yeah, see, that's what I noticed is people who are getting in the fresh air, at least enjoying life. I'm sure everybody in there was most of them, besides one or two of the workers. There's two workers, one in the front and back. Got out and explored where we're going, most likely. Oh, and it's still elevating something serious. I mean, look at this person's driveway. Look, that looks safe. Doesn't look like anybody's been using it, but dangerous to walk up. Holy crud. So yeah, my legs are burning, but I'm feeling really good. And here is the river. So we are just in time, aren't we? Rain's picking up a little bit, but okay. And then there's our pipes right there, right, for our water. So, yeah, it sure is starting to rain a little bit. Okay, boom. Right? Super clear water before it rains. We'll have to keep our eye on the clarity of the water, because I've never been here. It's immediately a beautiful, beautiful oasis. I mean, this is stunning back up in here, right? It's really shaded right now, so wow. Even though it's not like immediately waterfall action, it's all a little different. This is like really steep and super dangerous if the water was to rise immediately right here, right? There's like gotta be a way to traverse this, right, better than the way I'm taking. Holy cannoli. And it's getting super dark. I've been walking towards the clouds this whole time, so, and it's super late in the day, so you're not supposed to do this. Come up late in the day into the waterfall system at all. Like, don't do that. But here I am. Here we are together. All right, here we are. Wherever we go, here we are. So, I think if you're me, let it ride. If you're you, make your own call. You're an adult. Or wait till you're an adult to do this. And make your own decisions in life. Live your dream. I'd rather die doing something fun, right? Something like this. Now look around. I'd rather be up here than sitting around all day. Forever. Not doing anything. Not going on adventures. Just die of old age and diabetes. You know, I mean, you can still die with those problems out here. I don't know. I'm sure there's some epic activity. I am just not getting to it, right? And this bush is full of thorns. Ah! Yeah, it's dangerous, everybody. That bush is full of thorns and things that sting you on top of that. So I'm sure there's a way that is like the way, and this is just not the way. I am sure of it. And I'm also sure this is gonna, I assume it's this way. Maybe I should have went the other way on the river trail. Well, there's no trail, but you get the gnat. Yeah, I'm trying to be super cautious. You can just see there's no easy way, and these rocks are slippery, so go slow. Okay, well, there's some elevation right here. And then there's like a river split, right? Yeah, just beautiful. Huh. And I'm told it's up here. And it is starting to rain a little bit harder. So we'll take it till we can't take it. Yeah, this is stunning. Little pools. Like, I'm glad I got the house personally. And if you guys come with, you know, that's super cool too. It's gonna be a real change when I go up to the city in the next couple weeks. Like, I'm comfortable in this ultra, right? Obviously, and I'm comfortable in places that are urban that people aren't comfortable in. It's cool with me. I walk into walls sometimes, but I get through. You know, I make a path, and that's pura vida for me. Is there a way? Are you willing to take it? Do you want it? You want to go that way? This is pura vida para mí. So, yeah, that's like a really cool little splayed out. So I wonder, like, I might have had to keep taking that. There's a cool little bath right there. And it doesn't look like for sure no one's maintaining it at this point in time. So I think I had to take that road up a little bit higher. I don't know. I don't want to keep going this way. It feels like there's like this, I can see daylight right here. Like, where does this even go? But it's all pretty interesting. We'll take it a little bit more. Yeah, it starts to get difficult right there. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop the video. I might just take a little bath right here. Take my bag off. Oh, I got stung by some things. Alright, super cool. Well, that was the adventure. Maybe I'll make another little video of something else real quick, but I know there's some more hidden waterfalls, which I just, that's like the point of seeking around. Like, even if I didn't show you something right now that wasn't grandiose, that's a waterfall, right? But it's like that's the planting the seed. So find your own adventure. Let me know about it. Like, go find those secret waterfalls. Those super cool ways of life. Take it easy.